Hello everyone, my name is Nupur Sriram and I'm a tarot card reader and an astronumerologist. Now, this is the monthly reading for the month of July, and this reading is for all you number ones. So, if you're born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, and 28th of the month of July, then this reading is for you. The deck that I'm using over here is the Rider Waite Tarot card deck, and the cards that I have for number one is the Seven of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. Okay, so yes, this month is going to be a month of introspection, a month of analyze and a lot of analysis. You need to understand how your action is going to give you the outcome of your choice. Okay, so you need to redo some things and see how you can correct yourself. Also, if in the past the things were not very smooth for you, yes, you are moving towards slow transition where you will see yourself going from wavy waters to calmer shores, where you'll have little bit of mental peace. Yes, but for that you have to take some decision. You have to take a choice of choosing something which will take you away from the situation which is creating havoc in your life. Okay, if you are expecting some money to come to you, like if you have given some money to someone, or if you're expecting some bonus or any kind of an extra money coming to you, then you may not receive the entire amount but only a small chunk from that. Okay, but that money belongs to you. It is going to definitely come to you, but not now, if you're hoping to receive it now. Okay, one small thing in terms of relationship, always remember that relationship involves commitment and dedication from both sides. Okay, so if you are the only person who is putting in efforts in the relationship and it is not coming back from the other person, then you need to think about the relationship that you are in. Have a conversation, tell the person that this is what is the problem and this is where you feel that both of you should be on the same page. Okay, so yes, this month is going to involve a lot of analysis and thought, and in terms of moving ahead, it is going to be little slow. Okay, so moving to number twos. So if you're born on the 2nd, 11th, and 20th and 29th of any month, then this reading is for you. So the cards that I have for you number twos is the 10 of Cups, and I have the King of Swords. Okay, so the cups signifying emotion and the swords signifying intellect, some kind of a decision. So what I see over here is that this month is going to be focused on family. So family get-togethers, family coming together, maybe a short trip, a short vacation, or a weekend getaway. But yes, spending a lot of time with the family. So if you were away from your family for quite some time, yes, there's going to be a good reunion where everybody is going to feel happy and enjoy the presence of each and every family member. Okay, some difficult choices have to be made in terms of decision making. So some practical decisions have to be made. So use your intellect, think how this decision is going to push you forward. Okay, 2 years down the line or 3 years down the line, if this decision is going to put you on a fast track or maybe just a good track of progression, then yes, go ahead, make that decision, because this decision has to come from your intellect, from your intelligence, what you think is right. Don't take decision at the spur of the moment. Okay, it should be a well thought after decision. So this is how your month of July is going to be. Now we will move ahead and see how the month is going to be for number threes. Okay, so if you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, and 30th of the month of July, then this reading is for you. The cards that I've got for you is the Knight of Cups and the King of Cups. So basically, what I feel is that the month of July is going to be focused on you. Okay, everything to do with you. Okay, and mostly your life with deals with love and emotions. Okay, because I don't see anything else, it's only you and you. Okay, so it could involve making decisions of love, if you are seeing someone, then you may be asked to make a decision whether you are willing to be committed in the relationship forward or not. If you are not seeing someone, but yes, you have decided to go ahead and get married in life, then yes, this is the time which is starting for you, and you have to start seeing people, seeing prospects for marriage, and make a decision. Okay. Also looks like that yes, you are going to be enjoying a lot of attention on yourself. So maybe if this is your birthday month, then yes, lot of attention, lot of affection, lot of love is going to be around you. You are going to be the person of focus, the center of attraction. You will be enjoying, you will be having partying, you'll be having a lot of parties, but make sure that don't drink too much, don't go overboard in celebrating, and hold on to your emotions. Okay, guard your emotions well. It could happen that while you are flowing in that moment of joy, you may just unconsciously cross those boundaries. Okay, so make sure that your emotions are in complete check, you don't go out of your boundaries. So let's move on and see how the month of July is going to be for number fours. Okay, so if you're born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, and 31st of the month of July, 31st has July has 31 days. Yes, it has. So if you're born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, and 31st of the month of July, then this reading is for you. So the cards that I have got for you is the Chariot and the Ace of Wands. Okay, now both cards have a lot of energy. Okay, a lot of movement, lot of very high vibrational energies. So, and both are quite one is a major arcana and another one is a card of Ace. So what I feel is that this month is going to be a highly energetic month for you, a month with a lot of movements coming for you, and mostly it is going to be around your work, around your career. Whether you are working in an office or you have your own business, it's going to be highly energetic. It will keep you on your toes. What I can see is travel for business. What I see is that you uh, achieving some targets that you had kept for yourself, and those targets were really big. Okay, it could be you can call it as big targets that you must have said that to yourself, that by the end of the month of June, I am going to achieve this, something like that. Okay, so that you're going to achieve, for that you're going to be recognized. Okay, so there is a lot of appreciation, there is a lot of commitment which is coming from your side. Also a very high passionate energy is also going to be developing in this month. Okay, now it is very good because what I feel is anything that drives you towards success is always passion. Okay, so if you are passionate towards your work, it is the drive, it is the only drive which will keep you focused. Okay, so this month looks highly energetic, and in terms of passion, very high on passion. If you are planning to expand your work, okay, very good time to do that also. So whatever planning you have done at the back of your mind, this is the time to implement it. Okay, because I feel that the plannings and thoughts that you have put behind your growth, it's up to the mark. So now is the time to sow the seeds of your progress. Okay, so excellent month for you number fours. One warning, just make sure that in amidst all this appreciation and feeling good factor, your pride should not come in way between you and the people in front of you. So keep your pride in check. Okay, so if you're born on the 5th, 14th, and 23rd of this month, then this reading is for you. The cards that I've got for you, number fives, is the Strength and the Sun. I've got both the major arcana, but the cards are quite opposite to each other. Okay, so it's telling me that on one hand where you have to display your courage, mental strength, compassion, forgiveness. This is what you have to display on one side, and on the other side, it is telling you that you are going to be given what you want. The sun will shine upon you, so it is going to be a brand new day for you, new day. So whatever you were thinking of uh, manifesting in life, that is going to be given to you. Okay, so very important month. So I feel that these cards are connected to each other. So to in order to reach here, in order to you know in order to be seen, in order to be getting what you want, okay, you have to display this. Okay, so understand one thing, that if you have been hurt in the past, the solution to come out of that situation is only forgiveness, forgiving yourself, forgiving the situation, and moving on in life. Okay, only then you will feel that hope, that faith, and that positivity inside you. So you have to be mentally extremely strong, forgiving, letting go, and then you will see that automatically things are going to become very smooth for you, and whatever you are blocking yourself from achieving is going to smoothly come out in front of you. Okay, so if you're born on the 6th, 15th, and 24th of this month, then this reading is for you, and the cards that I have for you is the King of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, now what I feel is that you have to make the right choice in terms of uh, being honest to yourself and what you feel is justified. Okay, it is all about taking that choice in life in order to enter the path of fast growth and miraculous discoveries in life. Okay, where you will, why I'm saying miraculous discoveries, because you may experience things in life which you may have never imagined that can I experience these things in life. Okay, but in order for the heavens to open that gate for you, you have to make a choice which is going to be based on complete honesty, complete justice, and complete integrity to your own self. Okay, also I feel that if you are amidst of some kind of a legal issue, or if you're going through some small issues or litigations or some court matter, then yes, the decision is going to be in your favor. Okay, now let's move on and see the readings for number 7. Okay, so if you're born on the 7th, 16th, and 26th of this month, then the cards which are for you are the Nine of Swords and the Ace of Swords. Okay, so time of nightmares, a time of lot of stress is going to end. Okay, because mostly you were just stressing for nothing. Everything was only a fear of your mind. You had just created it in your mind. There was actually nothing happening around you. You were just in that in that loop where you were thinking, what if this happens, what if this happens, but actually nothing happened. Okay, so it was mostly a time of nightmares and stress which is ending. for you, and I feel it is ending after a very long time. So if you were in a situation where somebody was sick or somebody was not well, and a lot of ifs and buts were happening, so that time is ending. A lot of stressful time is ending. But what I feel is what you've gone through, you could not escape it. Okay, you could not uh, s- you know say that I don't want to face it. It had come to you for a specific purpose. So learn your lessons from it, which is extremely important. Okay, some things that you may have done right in that time where you are facing stress, remember those things, and with the same lessons move on to the next phase of your life, because something new is starting for you, because you have displayed immense amount of strength and courage uh, to the universe. So it is going to open new gates of happiness for you. Okay, so you deserve it. Okay, give pat to yourself. You need that applause, you need that pat, because you have really displayed an act of courage by keeping yourself extremely stable and grounded in the difficult situation. Okay, so I feel a good time coming up for you starting this month. Okay, so if you're born on 8th, 17th, or 26th of the month of July, then I have the 8 of Pentacles and the 3 of Pentacles for you. Now, this month is going to be a month which will be focusing on new learnings. Okay, it is very important for you to acquire something new in your talents. You have to do something new which will add a new feather to your cap. Now, if you are already doing something new, make sure you are extremely focused and dedicated towards it. Then only you will be able to reap the fruits of it. Okay, if you are expecting that a new job comes to you, or if you have given if you have given any interview, okay, then hope to get selected over there, because your talents, your abilities will be seen and you will be chosen. Okay, your focus this month should be on teamwork, how to accomplish things together as a team. Okay, by team I mean working around in harmony with people in direct relation to you or indirectly. Maybe your vendors, they may be indirect, and your immediate team will be your direct. Okay, so focus on learning something new, be dedicated, be committed, and work in absolute team spirit. If you're born on the 9th, 18th, and 27th of July, then the cards that I have for you is the Queen of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so look within for your emotions. It is time for you to introspect how you can attract love in your life, because only if you can love yourself more, then you will be able to attract more love from your environment. Okay, keep your emotions in check. Okay, maybe you feel that this is not the right time where I should display what I have for you right now. So yes, it is a good decision. Nothing needs to be displayed as of now. Keep your emotions well guarded to yourself, because it is possible that if you show your emotions, you could get hurt. Okay, and focus on how you can increase loving and taking care of your own self. Okay, it is a time for you to enjoy the luxuries of the family. If you are expecting some kind of inheritance to come through, then yes, you will be blessed to receive ancestral inheritance. And your family business, if you have a family business, then you can expect it to grow many folds. Okay, also a good time for the entire family to bond together and experience harmony, complete harmony as a family. So this concludes my readings for the month of July. I hope you enjoyed listening to this as much as I enjoyed making this. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I would be very glad to answer those questions. Also, if you want to read more about my work, do visit my website, the link of which will be in the description box. And I will be posting more such readings. In case you want to see some specific readings, then do let me know in the comments so that I can prepare those readings and I can put it on YouTube. Thank you very much and have a great July, all of you.